Hello everyone, welcome to Windmill Upon Hill condominium. So this unit is a 2-bedroom apartment that can accommodate up to 5 persons. So first, when you enter, you have the kitchen with all amenities you need, as you can see. A big table to have a lunch or dinner. Here you have the living room with a huge sofa and TV, and you have a great balcony where you can take a fresh air. And now follow me to see the room, the bedroom and the bathrooms. So the first bathroom here, very modern bathroom, and the first bedroom. So it's a queen size bed. You have an extra mattress for the one other person, and the master room with the attached bathroom. Both bedrooms have aircon. So I hope you enjoy the visit and you will go soon with us.